welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to make risotto. It's one of my favorite dishes and I'm going to make the shrimp risotto. It's delicious and I love to make it for my friends. Here are the ingredients. 400 grams of uncooked shrimp, 1 tablespoon of butter, half red pepper, half onion, 2 garlic cloves, 200 milliliters of white wine, 1.5 cups of arborio rice, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion salt to your taste. First, I'm going to clean the shrimp, remove the shell, and put the cleaned shrimp in a bowl. Season the shrimp with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion salt, and reserve it. Chop the onion, the garlic, and the red pepper. Put some water to boil. I fry the shrimp a bit in a pan with a little bit of oil, just for 10 minutes. And let it separate it. In a pot, add the butter, then fry the onions and the garlic for approximately 3 minutes. Put the pepper and the rice and mix it well. Add salt and the wine and keep mixing it. Add the boiled water little by little without stopping mixing it. The mixing is really important to let the risotto really creamy. Once the rice is al dente, add the shrimp and cook it for 10 more minutes. And it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried to make risotto at home and which one is your favorite. Maybe next time I can try it. If you're not subscribed yet, remember to subscribe the channel, give your like, and I see you next Thursday.